Good morning to all. Today I will discuss about machine learning. Machine learning is a growing technology which enables computers to learn automatically from past data. It uses various algorithms for building mathematical models and making predictions using historical data or information. Currently, it is being used for various tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, email filtering, Facebook auto tagging, recommender systems, and many more. In machine learning, along with the wide range of machine learning techniques, such as it is used wide range of machine techniques such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In the real world, we are surrounded by humans who can learn everything from their experiences, which their learning capability, and we have computers or machines which work on our instructions. But can a machine also learn from experiences or past data like a human? In this situation, the role of machine learning is there. Human says, I can learn everything automatically from experiences. Can you learn? Yes, machine also can learn using past data with the help of machine learning. Machine can learn with the past data. It is a subset of artificial intelligence, and that is mainly concerned with the development of algorithms which allow a computer to learn from the data and the past experiences on their own. The machine learning was first introduced by Arthur Samuel in 1959. The precise definition of machine learning enables a machine to automatically learn from data, improve performance from experiences, and predict things without being explicitly programmed. Historical data, that is the training data. Machine learning algorithms build a mathematical model that helps in making predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. It brings computer science and statistics together for creating predictive models. Machine learning constructs or uses the algorithms that learn from historical data. The more we will provide the information, the higher will be the performance. If data is accurate, then the results are accurate. The machine has the ability to learn if it can improve its performance by gaining more data. The working of machine learning, it learns from historical data, builds the prediction models, and whenever it receives new data, predicts the output for it. The accuracy of predicted output depends upon the amount of data, as the huge amount of data builds a better model which predicts the output for more accurately. Here, input past data, training, then learn from data and building logical models, and it generates new data and then it predicts the output. Features of machine learning. Machine learning uses data to detect various patterns in a given dataset. It can learn from past data and improve automatically. It is a data-driven technology. Machine learning is much similar to data mining as it also deals with the huge amount of the data. The need for machine learning. It is the need of machine learning increasing day by day. The reason behind the need for machine learning is that it is capable of doing tasks that are too complex for a person to implement directly. Various complex tasks which cannot handle by the human. Therefore, machine learning comes into picture. Humans have some limitations. We cannot access the huge amount of data manually. So for this we need some computer systems, and here comes the machine learning to make things easy for us. We can train machine learning algorithms by providing them the huge amount of data and let them explore the data, construct the models and predict the required output automatically. The performance of the machine learning algorithm depends on the amount of data, and it can be determined by the cost function. With the help of machine learning, we can save both time and money. Machine learning is used in self-driving cars, cyber fraud detection, face recognition, and friend suggestion by Facebook. Various top companies such as Netflix and Amazon have built machine learning models that are using a vast amount of data to analyze and the user interest and recommend product accordingly. Some of the key points we show the importance of machine learning, rapid increment in the production of data, solving complex problems which are difficult for a human, decision making in various sectors including finance, finding hidden patterns and extracting useful information from data. Classification of machine learning classified into three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, it is a type of machine learning method in which provides simple label data to the machine learning system in order to train it, and on that basis it predicts the output. The system creates a model using label data to understand the data sets and learn about each data. Once the training and processing are done, then we test the model by providing a sample data to check whether it is predicting the exact output or not. If data is a label data, means it has column name. It is identified by its label. It understands the data by training and process the data and predict the model and check whether the predicting the exact output or not. After testing the data, we know the prediction. It predicts the exact output or not. The goal of supervised learning is to map input data with the output data. The supervised learning is based on supervision, and it is the same as when a student learns things in the supervision of teacher. The example of supervised learning is spam filtering. It is divided into two categories: classification, regression. We will see these points later, details of these algorithms. Second type, it is a unsupervised learning. It is a method which the machine learns without any supervision. The training is provided to the machine with the set of data that has not been labeled, classified or categorized, and the algorithm needs to act on the data without any supervision. The goal of unsupervised learning is to restructure the input data into new features or group of objects with similar patterns. It compare internally the type of data to each other, and it identifies patterns because it is without label data. We don't have a predetermined result. The machine tries to find useful insights from the huge amount of data. It can be further classified into two categories of algorithms, that is clustering and association. Third type is reinforcement learning, which is a feedback-based learning method in which a learning agent gets a reward for each right action and gets a penalty for each wrong action. The agent learns automatically with feedbacks and improves its performance. In reinforcement learning, the agent interacts with the environment and explores it. The goal of an agent is to get the most reward points, and hence it improves its performance. A robotic dog is the example of reinforcement learning. History of machine learning. Today, machine learning, it is a part of daily life. Machine learning is making our day-to-day life easy from self-driving cars to Amazon virtual assistant Alexa. Artificial intelligence from 1940 to 1960, 60 to 70s, machine learning 70s to 2000, and deep learning, it is started from 2000. 1940 is the era of machine learning, history of machine learning, initiated by Alan Turing in 1936. How a machine can determine and execute a set of instructions. And 1943, the era of stored program computers. Computer machinery and intelligence in 1950. Alan Turing published a paper on the topic of artificial intelligence, computer machinery and intelligence, and in his paper he asked, can machines think? Machine intelligence in games in 1950 to 1959. Arthur Samuel, who was the pioneer of machine learning, created a program that helped an IBM computer to play a checkers game. It performed better, more it played. He is the pioneer of Arthur Samuel is the pioneer of machine learning. In 1974 to 1980, this period is tough time for the researchers, AI researchers. Therefore, it is called AI winter. Machine learning from theory to reality in 1959. The first neural network was applied to a real-world problem to remove echoes over phone lines using an adaptive filter. In 1985, Terry and Charles invented a neural network NetTalk, which was able to teach itself how to correctly pronounce 20,000 words in 1 week. In 1997, the IBM Deep Blue intelligent computer won the chess game against the chess expert Garry Kasparov, and it became the first computer which had beaten a human chess expert. In machine learning at 21st century. In 2006, deep learning. In the year 2006, the computer scientist Geoffrey Hinton has given a new name to neural net research as deep learning. And nowadays, it has become one of the most trending technologies. In 2012, Google created a deep neural network which learned to recognize the image of humans and cats in YouTube videos. In 2014, the chatbot Yugen Guzman cleared the Turing test. It was the first chatbot who convinced the 33% of human judges that it was not a machine. DeepFace was a deep neural network created by Facebook in 2014, and they claimed that it could recognize a person with the same precision as a human can do. And 2016, AlphaGo beat the world's number second player Lee Sedol at Go game. In 2017, the Alphabet's Jigsaw team built an intelligent system that was able to learn the online trolling. It used to read millions of comments of different websites to learn to stop online trolling. At present status of machine learning is machine learning has got a great advancement in its research, and it is present whenever around us, such as self-driving cars, Amazon Alexa, chatbots, recommender systems. It includes supervised, unsupervised reinforcement learning with clustering classification, decision tree, SVM algorithms, and machine learning models can be used for making various predictions, including weather prediction, disease prediction, and stock market analysis. These are the applications of machine learning. Automatic language translation, image recognition, medical diagnosis, stock market trading, online fraud detection, speech recognition, traffic prediction, product recommendations, self-driving cars, email spam and malware filtering, virtual personal assistant. You know the application of speech recognition, that is Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana and Alexa. Traffic prediction, that is Google Map. Product recommendations, Amazon, Netflix recommendations by analyzing customer interest. Self-driving cars. Face detection by Facebook. Email spam and malware filtering. The emails are categorized by Google, like spam. Normal email, spam email. It is filtered. For example, Google is there, Gmail is there. Virtual personal assistant, that is Google Assistant, Alexa, Cortana, Siri. They understand our voice instructions and send it over the server on the cloud and decode it using ML algorithms and act accordingly. Online fraud detection, stock marketing, medical diagnosis to predict the exact status of the disease. Automatic language translation, that is a Google Translator, for example. These are some of the applications of machine learning. I hope you understood what is meant by machine learning, what are the types of machine learning, and what are the applications of machine learning.